Yeah, I don't know about the weather in your area there, but it's a little bit cold here now that we're in fall, or what we call autumn here in US, in my area. The real sun we normally enjoy during summer is giving way for the cold, but it's still bearable. It's good. We praise God. My name is Josephine, and this is Learn with Joes, and a channel for teaching and sharing life experiences, life lessons. I call it an academy of knowledge economy. Last Tuesday, I concluded on naturalism and science, but today I'm going to discuss or teach on science and epistemology. Science and epistemology. I'm still speaking generally on the complex topic of science and religion. Or we say science and theology. Basically science and religion. That's what I'm still teaching on. All right, this is science and epistemology, part 1. Theory by evidence. Theory by evidence. Science and epistemology are deeply interconnected, as epistemology is the philosophical study of knowledge, belief, and justification. Philosophical study of knowledge, belief, and justification. Why science is the systematic study of the natural world. There are many interesting epistemological questions about science. A central topic has been the underdetermination of theory by evidence. Evidence for a theory seldom entails the theory. In this case, there will be several empirically equivalent theories. Theories with the same consequences concerning experience. Let me ask, for those who are in science, or who are other theologians in science or doing philosophical of religion and theology like me, some of the things we have learned from experiences we have garnered or gathered. Can empirically equivalent theories differ in epistemic status or value? Let me ask again. Can empirically equivalent theories differ in epistemic status or value? If so, what makes the difference? It is common to appeal to the so-called theoretical virtues, such as simplicity, fecundity, beauty, and the like. What shall we think of the pessimistic induction, according to which nearly all past scientific theories have been later rejected? Should that reduce our confidence in present scientific theories? How much, if any, of current scientific law constitutes knowledge, and how far does the scientific method reach? Are there subjects science isn't competent to deal with? Is science more competent to deal with some subjects than others? Scientific modes of procedure seem to have been most successful in the hard sciences. The human sciences seem to lag. Are there differences in epistemic well-funded between different sciences, or perhaps between the hard and softer sciences? Questions of all these sorts, while of great intrinsic interest, are indirectly relevant to our present inquiry. I want you to know that. What is most important is to see, what is most important to see is that science's epistemology is the epistemology of the leading human cognitive faculties: memory, perception, rational intuition, logic, and mathematics. Testimony, perhaps rate sympathy, induction, and the like. What is characteristic of science is that these faculties are employed in a remarkably disciplined and systematic way, and that there is a particular emphasis on perceptual experience. The relationship between science and epistemology is complex and dynamic, underpinned by a shared goal of understanding the nature of reality and acquiring knowledge. The methodologies and principles of epistemology inform the practice and advancement of science, while science provides real-world applications and context for epistemological theories. We'll be discussing the relationship between science and epistemology here, because that is why. And this is part one, please, don't forget. Epistemological foundations of science. Let's look at that. Epistemology explores how we acquire knowledge and beliefs. What constitutes justified belief? What constitutes justified belief, and how to distinguish between true and false beliefs? Science relies on these fundamental epistemological questions to acquire knowledge about the natural world through systematic observation, experimentation, and evidence-based reasoning. Let's look at empirism and science. Empirism, a central epistemological position, asserts that knowledge comes primarily from sensory experience. Science strongly aligns with empirism, valuing observable evidence and experimentation as the basis for understanding natural phenomena and formulating theories. Scientific method and justification. The scientific method, a fundamental process in scientific inquiry, is deeply tied to epistemological principles. It involves forming hypotheses, conducting experiments, collecting data, analyzing results, and drawing conclusions. These steps are guided by principles of justification and reasoning, central aspects of epistemology. I'm actually going to stop here today. I don't know what I mean, because when we talk about science and epistemology, some more, and this is why I said this is part one. So I'm going to stop here today. I will continue next Tuesday for more insight into what we are talking about. So join in on Tuesday, please, and share these videos. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you have subscribed and have not put on notification, kindly do that so that you get notification when any of my new videos come out. And I want you to join me on Friday. Don't forget, when I serve you Friday tonic, it's very important. You will, all the things I'm going to share with you on Friday, they're germane, they're important for personal growth. Have a blessed week.